You're planning a trip abroad, maybe for work, vacation, or even to move permanently. As you start thinking about managing your money, a question pops into your head: can I just stick with my current bank? Specifically, if you bank with TD, you might be wondering, is TD Bank an international financial institution? It's a great question, because knowing your bank's global reach can save you a lot of hassle and headaches down the line. Many people assume that big banks must have a global presence. After all, they're massive, right? But the reality of international banking is often more complex than just having a few ATMs in different countries. It's about a full suite of services, regulatory compliance across borders, and a truly integrated network that supports customers wherever they are. So, let's unpack whether TD Bank fits that bill and truly stands as an international financial institution. TD Bank Group is a Canadian multinational banking and financial services corporation headquartered in Toronto, Ontario. It's one of Canada's Big Five banks and a significant player in the North American financial landscape. In fact, it's the second largest bank in Canada by market capitalization and deposits, serving approximately 27 million customers. Now, while TD Bank has a very strong presence in its home country of Canada through TD Canada Trust, and a substantial footprint in the eastern United States under the brand TD Bank, America's most convenient bank, its international reach beyond these two primary markets is primarily focused on specific areas of its business. When we talk about international financial institution, we're not just referring to a bank that offers international money transfers. Almost all major banks do that. We're talking about a widespread physical presence, fully operational branches, and a comprehensive suite of banking services available to retail customers and businesses across numerous countries. For TD Bank, its global presence is more concentrated in its wholesale banking division, known as TD Securities. TD Securities serves corporate, government, and institutional clients in key financial markets around the world. They have offices in North America, Europe, and Asia Pacific, including locations in London, Dublin, Luxembourg, Hong Kong, Mumbai, and Singapore. These offices primarily deal with capital markets, corporate and investment banking services, and providing market access for the bank's wealth and retail operations. However, for the average retail customer, TD Bank's direct international consumer banking presence outside of Canada and the United States is limited. While they facilitate international transfers and offer services for cross-border banking between the U.S. and Canada, you won't find TD Bank branches readily available for everyday banking in, say, Paris or Tokyo for a typical individual account holder. Their international strategy largely revolves around supporting specific business lines and large-scale financial operations, rather than building out a global network of consumer-facing branches. So, to answer the question directly, is TD Bank an international financial institution? Yes, it is, particularly within the realm of wholesale banking and its significant North American presence. However, for most individuals looking for a bank with a widespread global retail footprint, TD Bank's international operations are not as extensive as some truly global players like HSBC or Citibank, who have a deeply embedded retail presence across many continents. Their international reach is strategic and targeted, rather than ubiquitous. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.